Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2019. Hope you had a good trading day on Tuesday. It wasn't a lot to do. Adobe was a good winner for us, but other than that, not much. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures form. As you can see, we're still under the 13 sell signal, but sitting above the red static trend line. We haven't hit it. We haven't completed what we need to for the signal to come to fruition. So lower is still generally the tone. Obviously, with all the yield curve stuff, everybody's thinking that. There could be a lot of options buying that'll prevent it from happening, at least for now. But volume's not great. So let's go through the daily charts, then we'll look at the intraday action, and then we'll talk about what's coming out on Wednesday. So crude oil was up 52 cents to 55.45 as one of the first major storms of the year starts to bear down on the Gulf. Gold down $6.20. S&P cash, after gapping up, loses $9.22. Nasdaq 100 loses $8.99. SOX down 4.76. Biotech's down 32.16, back down near the lows of the year. Russell 2000 down 19.96. I think that's the low since January, a certain point in January. VIX up 99 cents to 20.31. The trend closes at 1.15. NASDAQ volume 1.9 billion shares. That's back up. It was horrible early on. Looked worse than the day before. And then there was some volume in the end. So it's not as bad as the last day and a couple of the days we saw earlier in the last week. But, 1.9 billion is still nothing to get excited about. And that's the problem. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ negative 13.13. So more stocks down than up. On the New York negative 9.22. So same deal. Way more stocks down than up. Google loses just 36 cents. That's kind of a blip for Google. Apple down $2.33, stuck between a pink risk line and a red static trend line. Netflix down $3.95. Remember, there's a 13 buy signal there. Amazon down 704. Tesla down 92 cents. Facebook up 94 cents. Goldman Sachs down 158. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up $2.24. The Dow lost $1.20, and that is that. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute chart so you can see, again, Monday we had gapped up. We tried to pull back a little, came back, closed about where we started the day. Tuesday we gapped up, slowly made our way down to fill the gap, closed basically where we opened Monday. If you look at it, that's the net of the week so far is nothing. NASDAQ side slightly up a couple points from the open on Monday, but not much else than that. So really not a lot to talk about in terms of the market. Volume's been bad. Remember, this week we'll have, so hopefully Wednesday we get something done. We had a good trade today in Adobe that made the day. Wednesday, maybe Thursday. By Friday, look, everybody's heading out. Monday is the holiday. The markets are closed. So everybody's going to be gone. Everybody's obviously off on Monday. Most people for summer, the end of summer, will take Friday off as well. So Friday's not going to be interesting. And then when we come back, then we're into September and things, different schools around the country, different people on different vacations, everything comes back. If they haven't already, my schools came back a couple weeks ago. But if they haven't already, they'll come back after that. And then everybody's back. Summer's over. Summer doldrums are over. And we get back to work. And usually in September, it's not positive. So we'll just see what happens. But Friday being the end of month and leading into the 3-day weekend of Labor Day, I wouldn't expect much on Friday. So hopefully Wednesday or Thursday gives us something else to do. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.